In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your resume to LinkedIn so it's stored safely in your account and ready to use for future job applications. Whether you're actively applying for new roles, updating your professional profile, or you simply want LinkedIn to autofill your applications faster, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn profile and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon to access your account menu. From this menu, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. Click on Data Privacy. This section controls everything related to the information you upload and share on LinkedIn. After that, scroll down and find Job Application Settings. This is where LinkedIn stores your uploaded resumes, cover letters, and past application information. Once you're inside Job Application Settings, you'll see an Upload section. Click on Upload Resume, and a window will open allowing you to select the file from your computer. Choose your latest resume, ideally a clean PDF or docx file. After uploading, LinkedIn will store it and even use the information inside to help autofill job applications, which saves you a lot of time. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your resume file name looks professional. Double-check that your document is up to date, and always use a format that displays correctly on all devices. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues when applying for jobs. Once you've completed these steps, toggle on the option that allows LinkedIn to use this resume for future job applications. After that, you should be able to apply to jobs much faster using the Easy Apply button. LinkedIn will automatically pull your saved resume. It's also a good idea to upload more than one version if you have resumes tailored to different industries. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and makes your job search even more efficient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add your resume to LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?